Okay, well I guess now there's a part 2 because my camera only will record 20 minutes at a time. So I got down to the access panel. I've pulled off the headlight bezel, which is only the 3 screws that you see around it. Just pull that off. Take this wire, which comes off your switch that I've pre-installed. Feed that through the headlight bezel, just like so. You have 2 wires on there. You have this one, which needs to hook up to one of these 2 orange and white wires that comes off of the main wiring harness on your ATV. It has a rubber boot on it. You just plug that in just like so. That's all you got to do. There's still another one there. And here's the other plug that comes off of your switch. The winch comes with an extender wire, just like so. Plug that into your switch. Just like so. And feed that down to your contactor, which you've just pre-installed down above the winch. Just follow your wiring harness that's already there that kind of comes up past the radiator. Feed it up just like that. Come through that hole. And then the contactor that you installed has a plug just like that this plugs into. Just like that. And basically what it comes down to is you're ready to reinstall everything. We'll start with the battery back here. Now I won't bother putting my whole ATV back together just to show you that the winch works. Turn on the key, fire it up. Just like that. It's as easy as it is. Just put the ATV back together and you're good for the trail. Thanks.